friends, today I'm going to show you how I make a pretty easy sweet and sour chicken, because we're going to have sweet and sour chicken over rice for dinner. So with that, the first thing I want to do before I cut up my chicken is put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in my bowl and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, because this is what I'm going to coat the chicken in before I cook it. Okay, that's going to go in there, and then I'll mix that all up when I put the chicken in there. I'm going to set that aside. Alright, now I've got my chicken. My hands are clean. So, these are nice boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And I am going to not use that one. Let's see. Where's my good knife? There it is. I'm just going to cut these in bite-sized pieces. Okay? Just small chunks. I got my pan heating up. Okay. I'm going to put that in a bowl. I'm going to cut this one up. Okay. Throw that in there. Okay, one more here. I'm going to cut this one in half. Okay, there's that. Let me set this aside. My knife. Now I'm just going to get my little spatula here, and I'm going to mix this all up with this cornstarch. And while I mix that, let me wash my hand. Okay. I'm going to put my oil in my pan. About a good tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to finish mixing this all up. See how that is? I just mix it all around in there. Okay. Put this down here so you can see what I am doing. There's my, put my chicken in there. I'm going to let that mix around and cook. Just get it browned. Okay, so you're just going to want to keep stirring this till it gets, browned. You don't got to cook all the way through because you're going to cook it with your soy sauce. So I'm going to let that brown, and when that's browned, I'll be back. Okay, now that I've got this browned up, I'm going to pour a 1/4 cup of water in here. Mix it around just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to put this lid on, and I'm going to turn this down and let it simmer for a good 20 minutes. And then I'll be back and show you the next step. And that'll give me time to get all my vegetables cut up. Friends, I'm back and I've got my vegetables ready to cut up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these fairly thin. Put them in that bowl. I just want them nice and thin. This stuff's going to be wonderful. And you can, I'm using a already purchased jar of sweet and sour sauce, but you can certainly make your own. I've made my own before, and it is good. And one of these times I'll do a video and show you. It turns out just like the restaurant style. It's wonderful. Okay, I'm just going to cut these in chunks like so. Put them in there. Just chunk up my peppers. Okay. All right, so there, my vegetables are ready to go in. And I've got my my pineapple's ready. That goes in last. And I just need to pour out, I think I need about a cup of this. I think it's going to wind up being out, so I'm not even going to worry about that. There is my sauce. So, when this chicken is done, I got about 5 minutes left to go for it to cook. I'll bring it back and I'll show you how to put this all together. Also, I'm going to serve this over rice, but what's nice about that is I can wait until the very last to do my rice because I'm going to use my homemade instant rice. Okay, friends, this is ready to put together. So with that, I'm going to dump in all my veggies. Okay, and then I'm going to pour my sauce all in here. Hang on, I'm not going to waste this. I always pour a little bit of water in here, shake it up, give it a good shake, and pour the rest in there. All right. Okay, now that we got all the veggies in here, we are just going to let this cook down about 10 minutes. Let it simmer and it'll be done, and in 10 minutes I'll be back. Okay, friends, this is pretty much done. I just got to stir in our little bit of pineapple here. Give it a stir, and this is wonderful. Absolutely. All right. Now I got Mr. Wayna's plate and I got my rice. I put the rice together. So we're going to put this all on his plate. And take a look at that. How nice is that? And that's pretty budget friendly too. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.